Programming is about solving problems, and at the heart of problem solving is data. We need ways to store, manipulate, and retrieve data to make our programs work. This is where variables come into play. Imagine a variable as a container in your computer's memory that holds a piece of information. This information could be a number, a word, a sentence, or even more complex data. Variables are fundamental to programming, acting as the building blocks for storing and managing the information our programs need to function. Just like containers in the real world, variables have labels. These labels are the names we give our variables so we can easily refer to them in our code. And just like containers can hold different types of things, variables can hold different types of data, each suited to a particular purpose, such as storing numbers, text, or true-false values. In essence, a variable is a named storage location in a computer's memory. Think of it as a box with a label, the variable's name, where you can store a specific type of item, the variable's data type. This ability to store and retrieve information is what makes variables crucial in programming. They provide a way for us to interact with data, modify it, and use it to perform calculations and make decisions within our programs. To effectively use variables, we need to declare them. Declaring a variable is like telling the computer, "Hey, reserve a space in memory for me. I'm going to store something here." We specify the type of data this variable will hold, and of course, we give it a name so we can refer to it later. Java, being a strongly typed language, requires us to be specific about the type of data a variable can hold. Some of the most common data types include string, used for storing text, like words or sentences. Example, hello world. Int, used for storing whole numbers without decimals, like 10, 25, or -5. Float, used for storing numbers with decimals, like 3.14 or -2.5. Char, used for storing single characters like A, 7, or $, as Boolean, used for storing truth values, either true or false. Each data type comes with its own set of rules and limitations. For instance, you can't store text in an int variable meant for whole numbers. Understanding the characteristics of each data type is vital for choosing the right one for the task at hand. Section 4. Declaring and using variables. To declare a variable in Java, we follow a specific syntax. Let's break this down. CS type specifies the kind of data the variable will hold, for example, int or string. Variable name. This is the name you give your variable. It should be descriptive. Equal sign, the assignment operator used to assign a value to the variable. Value, the actual data you want to store in the variable. For example, here, we declare an integer variable named age and assign the value 25 to it. Similarly, declares a string variable named greeting, holding the text, welcome. Once a variable is declared, we can use it in our program to perform operations or to store results. Section 5. Final variables and conclusion. Sometimes we want to create variables whose values cannot be changed once assigned. These are called final variables or constants. We declare them using the keyword. Now the variable will always hold the value 3.14. Any attempt to change it will result in an error. In conclusion, variables are essential components of Java programming. They act as containers for storing and managing data, making it possible to create dynamic and interactive programs. By understanding the different data types, declaration syntax, and usage of variables, you take a significant step toward mastering Java programming. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Also, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.